Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, how Samsung brought the Olympics opening ceremony to life. Introduction. Samsung has strategically launched the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra just days before the Olympics, capitalizing on the global attention the event attracts. This move highlights the company's marketing prowess and the product's advanced features. Integration with the Olympics. Samsung's involvement with the Olympics extends beyond mere sponsorship. The company has played a significant role in the technological aspects of the opening ceremony, showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra's capabilities. Enhancing visuals. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera technology was a key component in capturing and broadcasting the event. The phone's advanced camera system provided high-definition footage, ensuring viewers worldwide could experience the ceremony with exceptional clarity. Real-time features. Samsung leveraged the Galaxy S24 Ultra's real-time video processing capabilities to enhance the live broadcast. This allowed for seamless transitions and immediate sharing of highlights, making the viewing experience more dynamic and engaging. Augmented reality integration. One of the standout features during the ceremony was the use of augmented reality, AR. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's AR capabilities were utilized to create immersive experiences, blending digital elements with the live performance. This innovative use of technology captivated audiences and demonstrated the phone's potential. Connectivity and 5G. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's 5G connectivity ensured that the large amounts of data generated during the ceremony were handled efficiently. This enabled smooth streaming and real-time updates, crucial for an event of this scale. Battery performance. With extended battery life, the Galaxy S24 Ultra supported the demanding needs of the event's coverage. The phone's long-lasting battery allowed for uninterrupted recording and broadcasting, highlighting its reliability in high-pressure situations. User experience. Samsung also focused on the user experience during the Olympics. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's intuitive interface and powerful performance ensured that those involved in the production could operate the device effortlessly, contributing to the overall success of the event. Conclusion. Samsung's launch of the Galaxy S24 Ultra just before the Olympics was a strategic move that paid off. By integrating the phone's advanced features into the opening ceremony, Samsung not only showcased its technological innovations, but also enhanced the overall viewing experience. This approach demonstrated the Galaxy S24 Ultra's capabilities on a global stage, reinforcing Samsung's position as a leader in mobile technology.